Okay, pardon the mess in my office, but this is the last minute Christmas gift idea that I came up with for some members of my family. It is a utilitarian gift bag, and what I found were these little lunch boxes, and I'm going to fill this up with stuff that could be useful for people to use in everyday life. Basically utilitarian items, and what I like about this is that the bag is useful itself. And all of my kids are pretty much grown-up adults, and I give them money because for a young person, there's nothing more useful than money, but it just doesn't feel like Christmas unless you're exchanging some gifts, and that's why I came up with this idea, and I think it's just nice to be able to give a few little gifts in addition to money, if that's the kind of thing that you do. And this is all stuff that basically people will be able to stash back and use from time to time and get some utilitarian usefulness out of, but like I said, the idea is to put the stuff in a box or bag or something like that that is also going to be useful. So like I picked up this toolbox from Dollar Tree, and all of the stuff in this is really cheap but useful stuff, and you can add more or scale things back depending on your budget per person. Like for example, I got these pocket knives that come in a 2-pack, and I'm just going to bust these packets open and put a knife in each gift bag for everybody. You know, again, everybody can use a knife, that kind of thing. And some of the things are going to be different for different people. Like for example, the people who live with me in this house are not going to be getting super glue because I have plenty of that on hand. I'm not going to just give them clutter and junk, things like that. And here's another example of getting something in bulk. I got 2 packs of these carabiners. What I'll do is I'll split these up and put a handful of each of these in each gift bag, that kind of thing. So doing stuff like that really expands the budget and gives you the option to give everybody a lot of stuff at a pretty low price. But I'm going to go through everything I got right now, and some of this stuff, I have the luxury of living by a small flea market type variety store down the road from where I'm at, so these are just ideas that you can use to fill your gift bags. But I went to this little flea market variety store, I went to Dollar Tree, and I went to Walmart, and that rounded out everything that I got here, and I really didn't spend a whole lot of money on this stuff. Now, not everything, for example, like these water bottles, not everything is going to fit in the gift bag, but that's why I got just a big bag like this for overflow, because I do not like to wrap presents, but actually having everything fit in one packet is nice to just be able to give to somebody and say, here's your stuff. I actually like this idea so much that next year I got these buckets from Harbor Freight, and what I'm going to do is just put like a strip of green wrapping paper around here to cover up the logo, and because it's red, it'll look nice with Christmas colors. But what I can do throughout the year is grab stuff like this, throw in each bucket, and come Christmas time next year, this will all be done and ready to go, and I won't have to deal with it at a last minute kind of thing. And that's another idea. You know, if somebody's into like a sporting team, I know they make these sport team buckets. You can get that and fill with their stuff for their birthday or whatever. But also, you can adjust this stuff accordingly. Like if you're getting for, you know, little kids, you can get a lunchbox and then put little knickknacks and toys and things in there. But all my shopping is going to be for adults here. So, and I got stuff like, for example, my daughter and her boyfriend, they lost their home at the beginning of the year to a tornado. Everything's good now. They're in a new place, but they do have a lot of stuff that needs to be replaced. So this is just like stocking shelves kind of stuff to put back for a rainy day, just in case you would need it. But I'm going to go through everything that I got right now. I got these munchies. I'm going to crack these open and, you know, put one of these in every gift bag, along with, you know, candy bars. Everybody likes Reese Cups, so they're all going to get one of those. Like I said, we got the gift bag here. Got a water bottle. We got some of these tie-down, bolo tie-downs here. Always useful to throw out in the garage. Some more giant twist ties. I got these at the little flea market store. Not everybody's getting these. These are contractor bags. This is just for like But this is for my daughter and her boyfriend's new house, something they can throw out in the garage and have on hand. Always useful to have stuff like that. I got these utility knives. I got some zip ties, always useful to have. Microfiber cloth. I got these, which I thought was a good find. This is a 65 watt fast charger with 5 ports. I got these down at the little flea market store for like really cheap. And to go along with it, I got this yellow high-vis USB-C cable, always useful to have. Tire repair kit. My daughter and her boyfriend, they are always at their computer, so it's always useful to have this kind of stuff on hand. Electronics duster. I got a pack of these knit beanies to throw in there. We live in Ohio, it gets cold here. It's always useful to have one of these on hand if you need to go outside for an extended period of time. And I don't have them here, but in the other room I've got just the brown generic jersey work gloves that I'll also put a pair of those in each box. Not a stylish fashion statement, but it'll be something useful to get the job done if you need it. Everybody gets this useful little work flashlight, and this end is magnetic, so that could come in handy. Little pack of batteries. Probably not the best batteries in the world, but if your remote control or your mouse dies, it's good enough to throw in there until you can make it to the store and get some better ones. Little screwdriver kit here. Picked up this wallet. I didn't get one of these for everybody, but I know somebody that will probably get some use out of this. I got this at Ollie's. That's one store that I forgot to mention for getting stuff to do this kind of gift idea. I did hit up Ollie's, but this is the only thing I picked up at Ollie's this time, because when I went to Ollie's, I didn't have this idea yet, but I'm sure I could have gotten a lot more stuff at Ollie's to really fit this bill. These little super flames, this is basically a gel burning oil. Picked these up cheap down at the little flea market store, and paid next to nothing for them. And these are useful for camping, or if you just need a flame to keep something warm underneath, like a pan. This is basically just sterno. So for my daughter and her boyfriend, just some matches to stock their kitchen with. Another microfiber cloth. I think I've gone through everything now that is. Oh, at Dollar Tree I got these little desk organizers. Like I mentioned, a lot of these guys are into video games, so I thought this was a nice little thing to be able to throw in there. This is a little tchotchke knick-knack, but it does still serve a purpose, so I like that. And I got these baskets for my daughter. This is something to put in her house. It's not something that's going to fit into this bag, but the reason that I'm showing it is because you could actually put stuff in here and give it as a gift basket. So little things like that are always kind of nice. One thing you can do is further personalize things. So if you're giving one of these boxes to somebody who's into cooking, you can throw an oven mitt in there. If you got somebody on your list who is, for example, into guns are expensive, but you could buy a little box of ammo and throw in there, and find out definitely what kind of gun they use before you go buying ammo for them. But just little things like that to kind of personalize and put your own personal little touch. But I think this is a great idea, that if you've got somebody coming to your Christmas gathering and maybe they're kind of new to the family, like a new boyfriend or a new husband that somebody's married, or wife or girlfriend for that matter, and you really don't know them, but you want to give them a little something, I think this is a pretty good gift idea. But I think all of this stuff is useful, and I don't think too many people are going to be unhappy getting utilitarian items for Christmas. Anyway, let me get this put together, and I'll show you what one looks like. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm starting to actually run out of room in the lunchbox, and there's not going to be enough room to get everything else in here. So my bright idea was to go ahead and take the water bottle, crack that open, and I'm going to put like the beanie, roll it up and put it down in there. I'm going to put these, these bolo ties in there as well, and I'm going to clip the water bottle to the lunchbox using one of the carabiners, and it'll look like it was meant to be. And based on your budget, if you needed to give gifts to a lot of people. I paid like $1.25 for these water bottles, and I don't know, a couple bucks for the beanie, the knife, the carabiner. You could divide all that stuff up and make individual little gift bottles to give to a bunch of people if you needed to, if your budget was tight. Alright, I got the first one done here, and I got a lot of stuff crammed in this little bag in this bottle here, and it's got some decent weight to it. But in the bottle here, I ended up putting the bolo ties, the skinny and the wide utility knife, the pocket knife, flashlight, and I think, oh, and the beanie cap. And I think that's it for what's inside the bottle. In the outside pocket here, I got this little screwdriver kit, the all-important snacks, and then everything else, well, not everything, is inside the bag. Some stuff is just not going to fit in the bag. Stuff like this extra little bottle here. That's why we've got an overflow bag, because I'm also personally giving people some hoodies and things, so it's good to have an overflow bag just in case everything doesn't fit in here. Or you can just not give people stuff and adjust your budget, so up to you. But we'll go over what is inside the bag now, and it is packed tight. And if somebody is a utilitarian, they're probably going to be pretty happy with what's in here. But get this out of the way here. Inside the bag, they're gonna get, here's a little tire repair kit, the desktop pencil organizer from Dollar Tree, and I put the extra carabiners and a couple little things of super glue down in there. We've got some AA batteries, some, I forgot to put the AAA batteries in there, but yeah, we'll be putting AAA batteries in there as well. The sterno can, these are zip ties up here, duct tape, charging cable, and a 65-watt fast charger. So all in all, I think it's a pretty decent little gift, especially if you don't know what to get somebody. So after a little bit more organizing, I was able to fit even more stuff in here. What I did was I stacked the sterno can underneath the duct tape, and I put the air can down inside the duct tape roll, as well as the charging cable down in the duct tape roll. I got the batteries down here on the bottom. I was able to get the water bottle in here. That'll have this ride sideways like that. I'll be able to put this in here, and I could fit a couple more little items in there, but I've actually run out of items now, so besides big items, that is. So, oh, nope, I forgot. We got the microfiber cloth. So that can go right there, and this thing is packed to the brim. I think that gets the point across. I don't know a single human person in my life who wouldn't be grateful to get this gift. You know, it checks all the boxes and it fits everybody. There's something in there that everybody can use. So I hope this gives you some ideas. You don't have to go exactly this, adjust accordingly. You know, like I said, if you got gifts that you're buying for little kids, you throw, like, you know, little toys and knickknacks in there instead. But anyway, you can always also throw a, you know, larger, nicer gift in there, like maybe a gift card or something. But I think this covers all the bases for most people. Anyway, that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. If you don't celebrate Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'll see you next year. Thanks for watching.